Hi everyone, welcome back to the vlog. I don't know how many days out we are from 75 hard. Here is the fit update. I just made a fun drink. Hi everyone, welcome back to the vlog. I don't know how many days out we are from 75 hard, but I'm getting ready for the gym. I'm doing a 7:30 class. I'm wearing Buff Bunny, one of my favorite bras, Candy Wrap Sports Bra. It's gonna be great. I'm leaving for Spain tomorrow, so gotta get my last workouts in while I can, you know. I looked up, there are a couple gyms in Salamanca, and one of my places I'm staying has a gym, but it looked pretty rough. So I don't know. We'll figure it out. Good morning, Bun. Full body day is done. Sometimes I love strength workouts. When it's full body, I don't always love it because they combine movements. So it's like I can't use the weight that I would use if it were just the normal movement in and of itself. So we did these like, have you heard of, so we did bird dogs, which is like when you raise one arm and one leg on the opposite side, but with a row and like balanced on a box. So it's like the weight that I can row when I'm in that unstable position is nowhere near what I can row normally. So I think I did like 15 pounds and then 20 pounds, but like normally I've been rowing like 40 pounds and I forget what my max was, like maybe 60 or 65, like for a few reps. So I'm like, what am I doing? Is it just core work then? Like, what is the purpose of the row? You know what I'm saying? And then we did another movement that was like a sumo squat into a back fly. And it's like, if I were just doing the fly and I was staying in one place, I could do more, but the movement of like squatting down, but like not, I don't know. But I did it and I'm leaving tomorrow, so I'm glad to get a workout in. Time check. They feel really nice though. These are the shorts. I got a gray color and then I got like a navy, like dark navy for the legging. Here is the fit update. I'm wearing the colorful koala shorts that I just made a reel for. And then I really liked how they looked with my Buff Bunny bra, but I put on a fresh one, also in pink, and then a Buff Bunny tank. I have a mani pedi coming up. They actually like didn't chip this time around. They're just grown out and I'm gonna be gone for 2 weeks, so I want them freshened up. And then pedi, they're actually the same color right now. These are starting to get long, so I need those cut down. Here's the nails. Back from Target. I definitely need some food. So I have a teriyaki stir fry meal from Top Plate. We got a Target haul. So all of this stuff was free. I know that's hard to believe, but I have the Target Circle app. So I know we're supposed to be like banning Target or whatever. I don't shop there very often. But I was in that plaza to get my manicure and I wanted to get a couple things for my trip. So I went in. Was that week? I don't know. But I have their app and I didn't even realize I had like gift cards and rewards and like all this different stuff on the app. So this was a June freebie for being a member. And then I got a notebook for my trip because I might need a notebook to write stuff down. I have no idea. These are my favorite. I always bring these on trips for snacks. I love them. I just wanted one more of these to replenish because I always try to keep like one of these in my cabinet for super mac emergencies. And then Khloe Kardashian came out with her Khloud protein popcorn, so I really wanted to try that. They have 3 different kinds. I only got one because I'm going away and I just was like, I don't need to be buying up a storm. And then we're almost out of laundry detergent, and I wasn't gonna plan to buy more, but like since I was already there, I was like I should just grab this. So I don't know, it's supposed to be a little bit cleaner, quote unquote. I just made a fun drink. I was feeling like a fun drink, and so I have the LaCroix in limoncello. I really like this flavor. Some people don't like it, but this is Kelty O'Connor, the YouTuber. It's her favorite flavor, and I really like it because it's like lemon, but it has a hint of almost like a vanilla to it. And then I was watching Buff Bunny, Heidi Summers, and she mixes it with Emergency, like the powder, and it's so good. It's like, then it becomes almost like creamsicle, but it's fizzy, and you know how like Emergency is also a little bit fizzy. So I don't know, I really like it. So that's what I have going on here. This is our janky recycle bin. And I'm gonna make a couple of these chicken taquitos because I'm still hungry after my meal. I forgot to show you the other fun thing, Ulta Beauty. This was all $8 because this was free for my birthday gift. And then I had an $8 coupon. These are $8 each. So one of them was basically free. So all of that for $8. So, I mean, that was like a shopping spree practically. I want to do my Khloud protein popcorn taste test. I'm eating my Khloud protein popcorn. It's good. It just tastes like Smart Food pretty much. I don't know if it's worth the $5 per bag, but like maybe if it was on sale or something. It's 100 degrees. I'm at Chick-fil-A. Yes, another questionable establishment with questionable ethics. However, their chicken is just so darn good. It's so good. Oh, she's coming. Hold on. You can't tell me that doesn't look good. And then I got a free birthday treat. So I got the peach diet lemonade. And then I always do one Chick-fil-A sauce and one buffalo. I mean, I love the Chick-fil-A sauce, but the buffalo has less calories, so I like to go between the two because one sauce is not enough. I'm packing for Spain. I'm almost done. So I'm pretty much almost done, but I still need to pack this, but I wanted to show you because I don't know how to do my hair now without drying it, and I have the Shark Flex style, which is not something you can use in Europe. So I'm just springing it in this. This is what I did with my Shark for my Tampa trip, and it worked out. I just have it in this little pouch.